Blessed welcome to this tutorial, friend. My name is Maverick from Work with Expert, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get white borders on Instagram. Now, this is something that a lot of people have been doing recently. It's something in the past, but people just started doing it again. I believe it's just trends that people feel that it's a way to beautify their Instagram page, and it looks pretty cool. And if you can look at this page here, you can see that it looks very okay with the white border here. You can see there are so many ones here. Let me check another one. You can see there's so many white borders here. Actually, this is not my page, this is another person's page. I do not use this on my home page, but a lot of my followers have been asking me how they can do this. That is why I am shooting a video on it. Alright, so if you want to do this, just sit back and I'm gonna teach you how you can do this on your own Instagram page. Now, doing this is very easy. All you need is just an application called PicsArt. Alright, so PicsArt is a photo editor application, and you can easily use it to edit any photo. It's what I use. I use PicsArt a lot to edit a lot of my photos. And if you also have another photo editor that has the same feature that PicsArt has, then you can easily use it. But if you do not have anyone, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be making use of PicsArt. So you can just go to your app store and you download PicsArt. Once you download it, once you install your PicsArt, you open it. Alright, so right here I'm on PicsArt, and as you can see, it's opening. Yup, so it's opening now. Alright, so we're just gonna cancel this. So once you're here, the next thing you have to click on is this plus icon that is popping up to your face here. Tap on the plus icon. Alright, and we have to give access to our media library. Okay, so now for example, let's say I want to create white borders for these two images here, this puppy image and the other image. So let's start with this first one here. Tap on that. Now you're gonna see some ads pop up for you to try to upgrade. Just keep canceling it. Alright, and once you're here, you can see this image. It looks very cool. It's a very fantastic image. It looks beautiful. So once you're here and you tap on that, tap on the image, it's gonna open. Then the next thing you have to do is just to scroll below the feeds here, and you tap on feet, okay, beside brushes and add photo feet. You can see it there. Tap on that, and as you can see, it's fit perfectly. The white border already shows. Alright, now to confirm it very well, just click on this ratio and put it in this square for Instagram so that you can confirm very well for Instagram, and you're done. Okay, so this is how you can easily do it. And the next thing you have to do is just to click on this mark icon, and if you want to try to adjust it to your size, you can just easily zoom in like this. And when you zoom in, you can see that it's very much cool, but I do not like it like this. I think it's more okay. So you can just tap the icon to adjust it back, and you're good to go. So you just tap on this mark icon, tap on this download drop down, and yup, it's saved to your phone gallery. Yup, so it's already saved to my phone gallery. Alright, so this is how you can do it. And if you have another image that maybe you want it's a little bit horizontal, then let's try another image. Don't save. Let me try this puppy image here. Cancel all ads. Okay, now you can see this puppy image looks pretty cool, and it's horizontal in length. The same thing, click on feet, and as you can see, it's pretty cool also. Tap on ratio, tap on square, and you see it fits perfectly. And you tap on mark and WhatsApp, you click on the drop down, and it's saved to the phone gallery. Alright, so now let's check it out on Instagram and see how it looks. Alright, so I'm right here on my Instagram, so let me just try to upload. Let me click on the plus icon here and allow. Yup, so now you can see that it fits perfectly. Unlike this, you can see that this is the image itself, this is the puppy image itself, but while I use the edited image, you can see that it brings out the white border. Also, this image, you can see this is the image itself, but when I use the white border, you see, all right? So that's why it's always okay for you to use the square shape that I showed you, the Instagram shape that I try to adjust it into, so that it can fit perfectly for your Instagram. Now you can see, voila, now you're good to go. All right, and once you do this, just tap on this icon, this arrow icon, and yup, now you see you're good to go. Alright friend, I believe this video is very helpful. If it is, please give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, and also do not forget to drop me a comment below. Let me know how you feel about this video, and if you want more awesome videos about Instagram, how you can design your Instagram page, boost it, create a lot of engagement on your Instagram. I have a lot of how-tos videos that are still coming up on Instagram, so please make sure that you smash the subscribe button below so that you can be the first person to be notified anytime I drop the Instagram tutorials right here on my channel. Thank you very much for your time, friend. Bye.